So, you've been scrolling through YouTube, drooling over those perfectly decorated cookies, and now you're thinking, can I do that? Spoiler alert, yes you can. And no, you don't need to buy a bunch of tools you'll use once and then shove into that kitchen drawer of shame. Today, I'm sharing my go-to tools for decorating cookies with royal icing. Simple, practical, and budget-friendly. Let's dive in. Piping bags. Let's start with piping bags. These are like the MVPs of cookie decorating. Flexible, easy to use, and precise. I use them exclusively for royal icing because, let's be honest, they make me feel like a pro, even when I'm definitely winging it. Pro tip, go for reusable ones if you want to feel extra eco-friendly and slightly less guilty about all the cookies you're about to eat. Tall glass. Now, here's a hack that will change your life. Okay, maybe not your whole life, but it'll at least save you from icing-covered hands. A tall glass is perfect for holding your piping bag while you fill it. Just plop the bag in, fold the edges over the rim, and boom, mess-free icing transfer. You're welcome. Watch my video for a detailed explanation of how to do this. Parchment paper. Next up, parchment paper. This is your best friend for catching icing drips, spills, and that one time you got a little too enthusiastic with the piping bag. Plus, it keeps your countertops from turning into a sticky disaster zone. Honestly, it's the unsung hero of cookie decorating, needle modeling tool. Let's talk about the needle tool. A tiny but mighty weapon in the cookie decorating arsenal. It's great for smoothing out icing and popping air bubbles. But if you don't have one, don't sweat it. A toothpick works just as well. Seriously, it's like the Swiss Army knife of cookie decorating. Craft heat gun. Okay, this one's for my overachievers. A craft heat gun can help smooth out royal icing and speed up drying time, which is a lifesaver when you're layering designs. But if you're just starting out, feel free to skip this and let the icing dry naturally. No judgment here. I've been there. Oh, and if you're curious about how to flood cookies with royal icing, watch my video for a better explanation on how to do it. Cookie decorating turntable. Now, here's a tool I don't personally use, but I can totally see the appeal. A cookie decorating turntable. For complicated designs, or when you need to rotate your cookie without smudging, this gadget can be super handy. Not a must-have for me, but it could be your best friend for intricate projects. There's something magical about baking cookies, especially for the holidays. For me, cookie decorating with royal icing isn't just about the designs, though I do love making them look fancy. It's about sharing a little piece of myself. I absolutely adore giving cookies as gifts. There's just something so heartfelt about handing someone a box of beautifully decorated treats that I made with my own two hands. It's like saying, I care about you so much, I willingly spent hours wrestling with icing bags and sprinkles. And you know what? There's nothing stopping you from doing the same. Don't let perfectionism get in the way. Just start, have fun, and embrace the mess. Trust me, even if your cookies end up looking like abstract art, they'll still taste amazing. And whoever receives them will appreciate the effort. You can even take it a step further and write personal messages on them. My daughter's I'm sorry cookies are proof that a little icing can work wonders for almost anything. Plus, the icing fails. Those make the best stories for next year's holiday gatherings. So grab that piping bag, unleash your creativity, and just go for it. You've totally got this. And that's it. With these few tools, you'll be on your way to creating cookies that look like they belong in a bakery window, or at least in a very flattering Instagram photo. If you want to learn how to make royal icing, watch my next video. It's going to be fun, messy, and oh so satisfying. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cookie decorating tips. Now go forth and decorate, and maybe save a cookie or two for me. Happy decorating!